channel, back with another video, back with a video. I haven't posted no videos in a long time. So I made slam, fluffy slam with glue and sugar. That's all you do. So I will teach y'all. No microwave, no nothing. All you need is some glue and sugar. Bam. Fluffy slam. I'll be right back. So get this stuff off my hands. It's not too sticky. So when I come back, I will show you how to make it. Well, I'm not gonna show you how to make it. All you gotta do is pour your glue in, blow some sugar, keep on stirring until it gets sticky and thick, and there's your snap. So bye guys.